Dear students, welcome to Study Buzz, your online study channel. Today we are going to study English subject for class 2. Let's have the overview. Chapter number is 7. Chapter name is Kim's Hungry Pet. Concept is a world of pets. Let's start our chapter. So before starting our chapter, I'd like to tell you that this chapter is based on diary writing. Here Kim is writing a diary and she is putting all the details related to her pet Happy. Now let's start. Saturday. Dear diary, I got a goat today. Everyone says she is kind of strange looking. I think she is beautiful. I am going to name her Happy. She is going to stay out in the field during the day. At night, I will bring her into the barn. She is very small, but I think she is quite strong. Kim. Sunday. Dear diary, I spent most of the day showing Happy around the farm. It was easy. She followed me everywhere. She even tried to come into the house for dinner. I fed her an apple and she stayed at the entrance making goat sounds. Then she ate the flowers in the yard. And a card that I had in my pocket is missing. I noticed that it was gone after Happy poked her nose into my coat. Kim. Monday. Dear diary, I stayed in the barn last night with Happy. She seemed a bit lonely. I fed her carrots and hay. She liked the hay. I'm not sure about the carrots. Today, after school, my friend Jane came over. Jane fed her a handful of grass. Happy really likes to eat. She also nibbled on Jane's shoelace and chewed a hole in one of her mittens. Kim. Tuesday. Dear diary, I did my homework in the barn to spend time with Happy. I read it to her and she seemed to like it. But I had to sleep in the house because I had all sorts of bug bites on me from sleeping in the barn. Goats are hard work. Kim. Do you think Kim took her homework to school? Read her mother's diary note for her teacher. Wednesday. Dear Miss Granger, Kim does not have her homework today. Her goat ate it last night. She will submit it tomorrow. Sincerely, Carol Gray, Kim's mom. So here we have completed our chapter and let's do the textbook exercise. Question number 1. Kim talks about her pet goat to her diary. Question number 2. Kim names her pet goat Happy. Question number 3. The goat ate flowers in the yard. Question number 4. The goat chewed a hole in Jane's mittens. Question number 5. Kim did her homework in the barn. Now, let's write the day on which these events happen in the story. So, the first one is I got a goat today. This event happened on Saturday. Second event is I fed her an apple. This event happened on Sunday. Third one is I stayed in the barn last night. This event happened on Monday. And the fourth one is I read my homework to the goat. This event happened on Tuesday. Now let's have some more questions. What did everyone say about the goat's look? So, everyone said that the goat was strange looking. Question number 2. Why did the goat try to come into Kim's house for dinner? So, the answer is the goat tried to come into Kim's house for dinner because she was following Kim wherever she went. The goat was also hungry. Question number 3. List the things that the goat ate on Monday. The goat ate carrots, hay, and grass. She also nibbled Jane's shoelace and made a hole in one of her mittens. Question number 4. What do you think happened on Wednesday? Since Kim must have handed her teacher the note from her mother, Mrs. Granger probably would not have scolded Kim. The teacher would, however, have warned Kim to be more careful with her schoolwork. So here we have completed our chapter and question answers. Hope you have understood it, and if you have any problem, please watch the video again. Thanks for studying with Study Buzz.